Hello and welcome. It's lovely to have you listening. I hope you are feeling comfortable. Today we will talk about something important. We will talk about asking for help. For many people, this is not easy. Why? Often we feel we must do everything alone. We think asking for help is a sign of weakness. But today, I want to suggest a different idea. A new idea. I want to suggest that asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of strength. It takes courage, real courage. Please stay with me as we explore this simple, powerful idea. Let's think about this feeling of wanting to do everything alone. It is a very common feeling. We want to be strong. We want to be independent. We want to show the world and ourselves that we can manage. We can do it. This is a good feeling. Independence is good. But sometimes this feeling becomes a wall around us. It stops us from reaching out. It stops us from saying the simple words, "Can you help me?" Why is it so difficult to say these words? Often it is because of fear. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of being a problem for another person. Fear of what people will think. They will think I am not smart, we worry. They will think I cannot do my job. They will think I am not good enough. These fears are loud. They speak in our mind. But are they true? Let's look closer. Think about when someone asks you for help. How do you feel? Do you think they are weak or stupid? Probably you do not. Probably you feel happy. You feel useful. You feel trusted. When someone asks us for help, it is a gift. It shows they trust us. It shows they value our knowledge, our skill, or our kindness. It builds a connection. It makes the relationship stronger. So if we feel good when others ask us, why do we think they will feel bad when we ask them? Our fear is often wrong. Now, let's think about strength. What is real strength? Real strength is not about knowing everything. It is not about doing everything alone. No one knows everything. No one can do everything alone. That is impossible. Real strength is understanding this. It is understanding your limits. It is being smart about your time and your energy. It is being wise. Imagine you are lost in a new city. You have a map, but you are confused. The strong person is not the person who walks for hours alone. The strong person is the one who stops. They take a breath, and they ask someone for directions. This saves time. This saves energy. This solves the problem faster. Asking for help is the smart choice. It is the strong choice. Learning a language is a perfect example of this. You are here listening to this because you are learning English. That is wonderful. But you cannot learn it all alone, right? You need teachers. You need friends to practice with. You need podcasts like this one. You are asking for help every day from these resources, and that is why you are improving. That is why you are moving forward. You are being courageous. You are being strong. You are saying, I don't know this yet, and that is okay. I will learn. That is a powerful attitude. So, how can we practice this courage? It starts with small steps, very small steps. First, change the words in your mind. Do not think, I am weak because I need help. Think, I am strong because I am learning. Or, I am wise because I use all the resources I have. Second, practice saying the sentence, just the simple sentence. Could you help me with this, please? Say it in your mind first. Then say it to a safe person, a friend, a teacher, a kind colleague. See what happens. You will see that the world does not end. In fact, the opposite happens. A door opens. Remember this. Every expert, every successful person asked for help. They asked teachers, they asked mentors, they asked friends. They built a team around them. They were not afraid to say, "I don't know." Their strength was in their curiosity. Their strength was in their courage to ask questions. So let's finish with this idea. Let's make it simple and clear. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of strength. It is a sign of courage. It is a sign of intelligence. It shows you are serious about growing. It shows you are serious about learning. It connects you to other people. So next time you feel stuck, next time you feel confused or unsure, pause, take a breath, remember this talk, and find the courage in your heart. Find the strength to ask, to say, "Can you help me?" It is one of the most powerful sentences you will ever learn, and you already know the words. Thank you for listening. Be kind to yourself, and always remember, asking for help makes you stronger. Until next time, take care.